all the way drained. And once it's rained, we can immediately get back out there and work in it, because again, we're just simply reaching into the bed. We're not walking around in the bed. And they can be an attractive addition to your landscape, something to be proud of, and that can be a focal point in your life. Some disadvantages: raised beds do tend to dry out a little more quickly in the hot summer months. As we talk dimensions, if you're growing throughout the summer months, I would make my bed a little deeper than if I'm just growing a spring or a fall garden. Frame and soil can be a little expensive and hard labor intensive to create. Limited crop rotation means we're growing some of the same crops in the same areas, so we can increase disease pressure at times. So sanitation is important as we go through our raised beds. Increased plant density also means we're creating a little bit of a smorgasbord sometimes